All right, y'all. It's computer time. It's my buddy Larry. Larry, everybody from Green Branch, everybody, Larry.
How you doing?
Anyway, we're gonna be building him a nice computer today. We've got the one that we did build already back here. Not over there, over here. You can see it's already built. Just gotta take some stuff out of that. So, all right. You ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Look at the size of this thing, you guys. Look at the... Yeah, bruh.
It's huge. And then I got it today and I was like, oh my god.
We got some work to do. Okay, so they got a lot of stuff in it for us. Alright, brother, you ready to put a computer together, man? Yeah. Yeah, you doing big things.
Hard drive. I haven't even opened this. That sexy graphics card. But look at this motherfucker.
Oh my goodness, yes. Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah, we needed the room. We needed the room.
That's why I'm glad I got the bigger one. Look at that.
Oh, the color. Is that carbon fiber? Did they like...
It's
way it's like...
It's sassy.
That is sexy. Okay. Plugged in our radiator to our CPU, plugged in the back fan to our motherboard, so this fan will spin. Probably shouldn't do that. You don't want to spin these fans, you guys, and these fans, because you don't want the bearings on the inside to wear out before they can get started on their own. So don't spin these. But yeah, we're moving right along. We're moving right along. We still got a lot to do, but yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Let's do it.
I'm nervous though. I'm so scared.
I'm so scared too.
I'm so scared.
Push the button. Here we go. Damn.
Oh.
Oh wait.
It's coming on?
You got power. You got power.
Okay, I'll push the button. Oh god, did anything light up?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Alright, so am I hitting the button?
We're already ready. We are already ready.
Am I hitting it?
Hit it.
Do it.
Hit that. Anything happen?
No.
Say nothing happened.
This is what gets you every time.
This gets me every time. Every time. This happened last time. But I could have swore I put in the darn things the right time, the right way this time.
Go.
So you had it plugged in the wrong place?
What we're gonna say is that we hacked into the machine to figure out and diagnosed it, found the problem, and then we just
Basically just tell them we took the red pill and we went into the matrix.
boom. That's what you tell them. What's that one?
Reset S.
I want to say he was even further. He was either down below the power,
Okay, hold on.
but I don't know because of course I messed it up in the first place.
So one more?
There was. There they are. There's two more. What are those guys? Are they LEDs?
Yeah, LED.
Okay, let's see it.
Of course not.
Okay, moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
First time turning it on. We swear. All right, here we go. Yes. Look at the LEDs on the top. Yo,
It looks good.
they're so much brighter because they weren't brighter before when we turned it on last time when it wasn't working.
Yeah.
Those are super bright.
Mm-hmm.
His fans up here aren't spinning though. And that I don't know why. Because those are hooked up too.
The fan in the back is spinning.
Fan in the back is spinning and
The one in the front.
one in the front.
I can't see the one on the bottom.
Yeah.
Only one?
Only one in the front and it's weak.
Hmm.
I may have to take another look and see if I can find more fan hookups. We got my buddy's computer built. He went on ahead and headed home. He doesn't live too far away from here, so I'm gonna take him his computer in the morning. One of the things that happened that was wrong with mine when I wouldn't turn on, it was at the black screen. I went on YouTube, watched a whole bunch of different videos on why screens are black. Some were saying that you may not have the power supply, maybe too weak, it may be malfunctioning. That wasn't the case, brand new power supply. I mean, it's not far-fetched that wouldn't happen. It's not an impossible thing that people have that happen to them where their power supply is crap, even though it's brand new. But that wasn't the case with ours. We'd already tested it on a previous computer, so that wasn't the issue. Then they were saying that sometimes it could be the CPU could be messed up. Also, brand new CPU. I followed the instructions. I was very careful. I put it in as carefully and as lightly, and I made sure I followed all the directions, found the arrows, made sure no pins were sticking out, that everything was gravy trained, that it was the right slot, all of that. That was good to go. Could it be your fans? Your fans may be pulling too much power. The fans weren't pulling too much power. What ended up happening is the RAM. I did not have my RAM fully plugged in to one of the sockets. So I have 2 sticks of RAM in his computer right now. They're from my wife's computer because his RAM hasn't come in yet. But we put the RAM in and I did not put it all the way down. That's very dangerous to do. That can sometimes short circuit your motherboard. Luckily, that didn't happen. So we were able to easy fix. Just make sure everything is in there properly and in there snugly. That's the only advice I can give you, because I was getting really frustrated with not being able to figure out what exactly was wrong with my computer, with his computer. But we booted it up. We got Windows going on it. It's got a hard drive in there. He's ready to game, man. He is ready to game hardy. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update, show you the computer one more time. I mean, it's not on right now, but here's our lovely computer. Let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Ho ho! Look at the pretty lights. Oh, now it really lights up. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yes. 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 So this is his Windows. It's already installed. It's ready to go. He has a brand new beast of a computer. Congratulations, buddy. Thank you for letting me practice my skills in building. As you guys can tell, they are awful. I keep having issues, but at the same time, my friends, I am learning. I'm troubleshooting, I'm figuring out my problems, I'm working through it, and we are making progress, and that is all you can really hope for in the big scheme of things. Once again, that was my buddy Larry. He didn't get to say goodbye to you guys. It's all good. Of course, the wifey.
What's up?
Tushard, Ariel, our Green Branch. We'll see you guys on the next vid.